Two Chattanooga restaurants are trying to keep their customers and employees safe after hearing that people infected with COVID had visited their establishments recently. Channel 3's Michelle Herron is live with that story. Michelle?
Yeah, David, the news served as a blow for some restaurants as they're already struggling just to stay afloat during this pandemic. One co-owner told me that since the news broke of the exposure 24 hours ago, they've already seen a 40 to 50% hit on their profits. But I spoke to two of those four establishments today, and they tell me that they already have been doing and will continue to do everything they can to keep everyone safe.
Wasn't an employee, are you going to have to shut down?
Those are just some of the questions Mike's hole-in-the-wall co-owner John McClellan started getting Monday when the Hamilton County Health Department announced the restaurant and bar was one of 4 places exposed to COVID-19. He wishes he would have had those answers before the health department released the news to the public.
I think it's frustrating. I don't know when they knew, but they knew in time to do a press release, and we didn't.
McClellan has since learned the person infected was not any of his employees, but a customer. They deep cleaned the restaurant and continue to follow precautions outlined by the health department.
They did tell me that the probability of having spread it is extraordinarily low. They said that we don't have to do anything other than all the precautions that we had taken initially with the distancing, the mask wearing, interviewing customers, that kind of thing.
Mellow Mushroom on Broad Street was also on the list. Brandy Burgeons operates both locations in Chattanooga. She says her employees spent several hours deep cleaning the restaurant.
We do know that it wasn't an employee because they get tested fairly regularly. We check their temps every shift, and we keep a log of all that.
Both agree it's the reason why they take COVID precautions so seriously, to keep their patrons and employees safe.
I've told the staff you just have to assume that everybody who comes in has it and may not even know it because of so many asymptomatic cases.
COVID is out there and there is a risk. Take precautions, wear your mask, social distance, be careful, and I think that's all any of us can do.
Now, both establishments tell me that they were not contacted by the health department before the information about the exposure was released to the public. I reached out to the health department to find out if that's protocol and if it is, why, and I'm still waiting on that answer. But if you would like to know more information about exactly where those exposures were, the days and the times, as well as where you can go get tested, just head on over to our website or look inside our app. But for now, reporting live in Hamilton County, I'm Michelle Herron, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.